Forms are one of the easiest and most popular ways to collect feedback and information from online users. If you want to gather information and feedback quickly, even on the go, you need to know how to use Google Forms. So you can use Google Forms to create and share online forms and surveys and analyze responses in real time. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you create and share a Google form for submitting skill information by job seekers. Showing right away, stay tuned. Hi, I am Khaled from Fiber Crest Tutorials. Hope you all are fine and doing well. To create the Google form faster, I already have noted down all the fields I need in the form to collect information on people's skill. Now let's create a Google form so that once people click here, the form will open and they can submit their skill information online. Our Google form will include input fields for first name, last name, mobile number, email, etc. To create Google form at first, you need to log in to your Google, that is Gmail account. I already have logged into my Gmail account. To have a Google form, click on Drive. Then click on New. Go to Google Forms, then click on From a Template. You can use these ready templates to share and collect feedback from people online. You can customize these templates also through removing or adding new fields to a template. For now, I am starting with a blank form, so click here on plus sign to create a blank form. At first, I will give a title and then description for the form. Let me copy the title from my note, then paste it here. Now copy from description from my note. Paste it here. Let me edit my first question. So click here. Now writing my first question. First question text is first name and input type is short answer. You can add different type of input fields on the form like short answer, multiple choice, drop down, date, etc. Here I choose short answer type for first name field. To add a new field, click on plus sign. Then edit field text and type. Type is short answer also for last name. Again click on plus sign to add third question, then edit field text and type. Text is mobile number and type is short answer. We can set the field as mandatory or not also. Click on required if you want the field to be mandatory. Now adding field for email. For date of birth input, text is date of birth and field type is date. Make it as required field also. Again, click on plus sign to add next question. Here text is gender and type is multiple choice. Placing values as male, female for multiple choice list. Following the same way, I already have completed the Google form creation with all necessary questions. And this is the complete form I have made. Now I need to send the form link to people so that they can able to submit information. I can set the form link here also, as people can get it on the website easily. Now to generate form link, click on send. Click here on the link icon. So this is the link for the form. You can shorten this link also by clicking here. Then copy the link. I am placing the link on my website so that people can reach the Google form over this website. Otherwise, you can share the form link directly also in email, WhatsApp, etc. So I am editing my website post to place the form link here. Click update to save the post. Now let me refresh my website page. So when people visit and click on the link, the Google form will open easily. And people can submit their information over the form like this. So after submitting all required data on the form, you need to click on submit. Fine, your response has been recorded. Now I am showing you how can you check all the responses over the Google form. Now you can set an Excel sheet to get all the responses from different people. To set the Excel response sheet, click on link to sheets. Set a name for the Excel response sheet. click on Create. Click on View in Sheet to view Excel sheet. Here, the Excel sheet contains all the public responses over the Google form. Therefore, in this video, I have covered a complete process on how you can create and share a Google form for submitting skill information and analyze responses in real time. We also have another video on how to create and share a Google form to receive payment data from customers. If you need it, you can check the link below this video. Hope that you enjoy the video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with Fiber Crest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.